In this review, I will dive deep into Lemlist's features, the pricing, and whether it is the right fit for your needs. So to get started with that, we're gonna have to know the meaning of Lemlist, what it stands for, what they do, and how they do things. So Lemlist helps you send emails that people actually open and read. It's like a superpower for your outreach campaign. Instead of sending the same boring emails to everyone, Lemlist lets you make each one special. You can add personal touch, like using someone's names or mentioning something they like. This is called personalized outreach, and it works really well with your Lemlist account. You can set up a Lemlist campaign that do all the artwork for you. It's like having your own personal email assistant. Lemlist take care of yours, sending emails, following up, and keeping track of everything. This way you can focus on other important things. So talking about the top benefit of this powerful AI website called Lemlist, it comes with a personalizations that wows the entire features. For example, Lemlist makes it easy to personalize your email at scale. This means you can add custom image, videos, and text to make each email feels like you are just writing just for the recipient. Imagine incorporating custom intros lines that mention something specific about each person you are contacting. That's the powerful of Lemlist. It also boosts your replies rate with easy to use interface and a multi-channel outreach. So talking about the best benefits, the best features of this AI website, which is the template. Lemlist has a tons of ready to use email templates that can help you. They were like a blueprint for your email, so you can use them as they are or change them to match your styles. And also, if you have this campaigns are like roadmap for your emails and emails reminder for verifiers. So I have to verify this just to need to get access to this. And also a phone number finder. Sometimes you need to call someone instead of email them. So Lemlist can help you find phone number, and this is super helpful for important conversation. And also inbox rotation. Sending a lot of emails from the same address can look suspicious. So Lemlist inbox rotate the features, let you send emails from different address, and this help you get a delivered and avoid spam filter, like having a secret weapon for your outreach skill. And talking about the pricing, they have different varieties of pricing. They have the free plan, they have the email starter, the email pro, the multi-channel expert, and the outreach skills. So if you want more information about this, you can simply refer to the website to check more about the pricing plan. So talking about the pros and cons, you should use Lemlist and see the good and bad. So this help you to decide about the good and bad of this website. So talking about the good, with disadvantages, part of this platform is personalization is easy, simple to use, and reach people anywhere. Email reach, inbox 6, and support is awesome. So talking about the downside, the prices can be high, depends on individual preferences, especially for small business, and the free plan is limited, and the credit could be clearer. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful AI website.